India's first online channel, The Marine Times, conducted an interview at Elite Mariners last week. In our exclusive talks, company introduced their work profile and management skill. Director of company, Captain Pintel, disclosed the benefit provided by Elite Mariners to their seafarers. Captain Pintel also added how Elite Mariners has proved their existence in the international market. Here is the exclusive conversation with Captain Pintel.
We are Elite Mariners Private Limited, and we had commenced our operations in 1998 with Gearbulk, one of the very reputed companies of the world called Gearbulk Limited, and we have been their crew managers ever since, exclusively for India. They have of course crew managers in Philippines and Croatia and Poland and China, and we are one of the premier ones who have been with them from a long time and giving them world-class support in crew management. And we have over the years developed systems in line with the the development that has taken place in the last 20 years. So we have been going along, and they have been very, very satisfied with our performance and the management that we do for them.
Would you like to tell us about your first initiative taken in regards to employment?
Employment of who?
For your seafarers.
Okay, for first initiative, of course, we always believe in the right man for the right job, the best person available. And we believe in nurturing the officers as well as the ratings right from the beginning. It's not we don't depend on the available people in the market. From the last 20 years, we have been have a very long-term training and recruitment procedures and plans, which we have been taking our cadets, and we on a regular basis. We've been taking the ratings, trainee ratings on a regular basis. Every vessel of ours had about 5 to 6 trainee positions. It is a bit reduced now because of the market situation and all that lately, but all these years we had these training positions on board, which have really given us good, in fact, results and dividends, because we never had to look at the market for for positions on our ships, senior positions and all. Over the years, we have developed our the officers and the ratings, as I said, in such a way, groomed them up and grown them along with the company. And with that, we have today majority of our masters, chief engineers, second engineers, chief officers, all electrical officers, and also the bosuns and oilers and ABs who have been taken as trainees a few years ago. So that has that's the first thing that we take in the long-term planning.
Okay. What employee benefits your company is providing to the seafarers?
So we are one of the, I think, only company in India or in Asia side who have given or provided the long-term employment, which is a permanent employment. We do not have a contract system. We have an agreement which seafarer signs, the officers, and that is valid till such time they are 60 years of age. And over the time, they use the same employment contract throughout their employment with the Elite Mariners and Gearbulk, and that is one of the very unique things. And during because of this permanent employment, there are so many associated benefits with that, which is, for example, the pension scheme. The company contributes a certain percentage of their salaries every year into the pension into their pension fund. Each individual has a pension fund which is managed by a company in Zurich, fund management company, and over the years our officers have now accumulated thousands of dollars of pension. So when they retire or when they leave the company, they are paid that one. That is in addition. That another benefit that we have is the throughout the officer is covered under PNI, against death, disability, whether he's on board or on leave also. So they have been, this is something very unique in our company, and also the families are covered. The officers' families are also covered against hospitalization and certain expenses which are very expensive these days to afford in India. So this is a big support for our officers. And then, as I said, it's a permanent employment. You basically rotate on the same vessels or same type of vessels. Senior officers, they are on rotation of 4-on-4-off system. Junior officers 6-on-3-off system. The crew is on a 9-month contracts, and of course that is what we are giving.
Okay, that's great. And how many seamen are working with your company?
So we have a total of about 700 plus. That includes our seafarers on leave as well as on board, which are, as I said, since they are permanent, even people who are on leave are considered with us all the time.
And what is your opinion about the position of Indian shipping companies in international market?
Indian shipping companies are doing very well. There are quite a few companies of good repute and good standards. They have a very high standard of operation, their safety, their training, and we are quite a few companies in India who are on the international level, maintaining good standards, better than most in the foreign countries also.
Can you tell us what do you think about India Maritime Summit 2016?
Oh, it was a good initiative. It's been always good to have a summit where all stakeholders get together, and it was well supported by the government. It was very nice and well appreciated. Prime Minister, the presence there, and Shipping Minister Mr. Gadkari and Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi. He was that shows that how much interest the government is taking in an initiative for the shipping, which has been well appreciated by all. And it was a good platform for, as I said, for all stakeholders, whether the ship managers, ship owners, logistics, ports. Everybody participated. That was very good.
Would you like to give any advice for seafarers?
Certainly, I keep giving advice from the last so many years to the seafarers is through my experience also. And otherwise, first and foremost, always work hard. Be loyal to your employers. Be loyal to yourself, to your profession. Be good professionals, true to your heart. And that not only takes up their own job satisfaction, it is good for the company, good for themselves, good for a good image for the Indians in the world seafaring industry, and they are well respected, and they need to go further also. There are certain areas, focus areas where Indians need to improve as compared to some other nationalities. And again, my advice is always do your best, take the profession seriously, and see to it that the intended job that you are on is done the best possible way, and the owner is benefits from your employment. And also this should also take into consideration the good future prospects. Go ahead with your training seriously. A lot of training is there these days. A lot of money is spent by the owners on training, so take it seriously.
Last question, your review about the Marine Times.
Yeah, it's comparatively new, and it's starting on a very good note, I would say, good initiative, and I wish them all the best for the future. And I would say that you maintain a high standard of good journalism and good reporting, and I'm sure you'll do well.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.